Good morning.
Good morning.
We're waking up to day 2. It is cold. We got a fire going right.
Quite the temperature change this morning from yesterday.
We got like some water, coffee, and we're about to eat our Mountain House breakfast. We got our little pot there. Morning, Blue. She already ate her breakfast. All right. See you on the trail.
Making the half-mile trip down the trail here to go get water this morning. Water sources out here on the trail are kind of questionable. It's the dry season right now, so we decided to make the longer walk to go down to a reliable water source. It's a small creek. We'll take a video when we get down there. Blue's all excited this morning. She's liking the cooler weather. Come on, Blue.
Come on.
Blue, come on, let's go. Go, go, go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
What you doing there?
Making water.
Well, the water's already made.
Making drinkable water. Getting our water for the day. We got a choice to go to the next water source, which is like a pipe coming out of the side of the mountain, but it was all the notes on far out say it's just a trickle and it takes a while, so we decided to make the half-hour trek or half-mile trek down here to get water at a reliable water source. But you have to filter your water, folks.
Here we are, day 2 of our hike.
Yay!
Our
Day 2!
legs are so sore.
And my legs are tired because somebody dropped the filter down at the water source and had to run a half-mile back down the hill and then back up.
Here we are. How many miles we have until the shelter or our next day? Or what?
5.6.
So another 5.6 miles today. We'll see y'all when we get there. Look at Blue. She all happy today. She ready.
Hey guys, it's Mike and Jen here. Day 2 of hiking. We're about 2.7 miles from our next shelter, and we're going to decide when we get there whether we're going to push past that and go to a tent site called the Cheese Factory, which would be about another 3 miles past there. So we're feeling good, and it looks like it's going to be mostly downhill. We may push on. We just stopped to grab a little snack. We like these little pulled pork that you can get. It's like pulled pork and barbecue sauce. So these work, yeah, they're pretty good. The little chicken packets, tuna packs, that kind of thing, make a great snack. Little protein on the trail. So highly recommend those. And we like to stop every couple hours or so, at least take a break, grab some water, and maybe grab a bite to eat. Following the white blazes, making our way to our next shelter up here on the Appalachian Trail. The Georgia section is a pretty tough section of the Appalachian Trail. So we're up here on the AT, or about a mile from our shelter. Some people came by and said, be careful of the snake, so we got up here and looked. There is a decent sized timber rattler or cane brake up here in the middle of the, sitting in the middle of the trail up here. So we threw a couple sticks over in its direction to see if it'd leave a trail, but it wouldn't. It's just kind of coiled up and standing its ground, so we're gonna just go around best we can. I'd like to move it off the trail just so nobody else runs across it or has any problems with it. I'd hate for somebody to get hurt. He's pretty mad right now. Let's see him there.
He's gonna save the day. Good job.
Yikes. Oh, this is like straight up. Oh, jeez.
Look what he does to me. Look at he's making me climb. I love you so much, honey.
Oh, I love you too. Yes, a very slow death. Holy cow. Oh. I might not have a girlfriend when we get home.
Come here, Buzz.
Wow.
Come here.
It's amazing.
Come here.
Whew. So we just left a Tree Mountain Shelter. We decided not to stay there. We decided to hike another 2 miles and go and stay at the cheese factory, and it would just give us a shorter day tomorrow. And we were hiking, and Jen heard something off in the laurels in the rhododendron off to our left, just down the hill down here. And so we stopped and looked, and there was a bear that was going down the hill. So he wasn't too far off trail, though, maybe only 50 or 60 yards. That's the first time in all the times I've been up here hiking that I've seen a bear. I've seen them like in driving around and stuff, but I've never seen one actually up here on the trail while we were hiking. So it was interesting. Luckily she heard it, and luckily our dog is a great dog, very close to us and does what she's told. So so we'll just keep moving on. She won't get eaten. It's not going to be a bare marshmallow. Be careful right there. Oh, we are literally on top of a mountain. Wow. That's just amazing. This is why you come up here and do hard stuff. It's because the majority of the population will not, and they don't get to see this. If you don't put in the work, you don't see it. Man, awesome. Worth it?
Great.
I know we're tired. We're exhausted, but we're gonna push on. This is
actually really
yeah, this is an awesome spot.
Yeah.
Wow. Yay, we made it. Yay. It's a nice looking spot. Maybe somewhere we'll set up somewhere over by the fire pit, maybe. Yeah. Looks good.
This is our last night, and this is our campsite. Mike's cooking dinner, well, with boiling water.
Yummy.
He's slaving away in the kitchen.
Slaving away in the kitchen.
There goes our tent. We already got our fire going. And then
Got water.
Miss Blue here, she is super exhausted. Right, Blue? Yeah.
Yeah. She's like, please take me home.
Oh, little Blue is hurting. He's cramping. Look at Mike massaging her legs. So cute.